Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, and motherboard. Removal. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the CU plate to the top cover. Lift the CU plate off of the alignment pins on the top cover, guide the wireless antennas through the cutouts in the CU plate, and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the CU plate.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.